Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. Today I have a message for you. Many people have been doing businesses and you advertise your businesses on a daily basis, but you don't see customers. It is very disappointing, very frustrating when you put in money and efforts to advertise your products and actually customers do not turn up. But this is a message for you. When you are doing advertisements, of course, most of you people are targeting to maximize sales, but it is not the case that every advertiser will get customers immediately. The most important reason as to why we advertise our products is to create awareness. And our customers might not be in need of our products at that moment when we are advertising. And maybe even though they have the need, they may not be having the efforts or the capacity to create orders at that very moment. So our we shall have done our most important part, creating awareness, making sure that our products are in the ears of prospective customers. When I say prospective customers, I mean those people you suspect. You just suspect them to be the ones who are supposed to be buying your products. They are prospects, but they have not started buying. So by the time they make a buying decision, they will become your real customers. So when you're making advertisement, make sure do it targeting prospective customers, but don't get worried when those people don't turn up immediately. They will definitely come when they are in need or when they have the capacity to make those purchases. So keep advertising your products every day. Make sure you do advertisement. Don't get an opportunity to speak to people and you stop without talking about your products. As a salesperson, make sure if you have the capacity of making your name to be your product name or your company name, do that. Introduce yourself by your product so that you always get chances to talk about your products whenever you meet people. Keep advertising your products even though you are not seeing anyone making any purchase. One day, many people will come, they will make overwhelming orders, and you'll get surprised just because of the previous adverts that you have actually been making. I want to encourage you that don't get discouraged. Keep advertising your products. One day, one time, you will start making sales.